So friends, we have a sample web page. We have created it. Okay, and if we want to see its details, means page source, we can write click over here, uh, view page source, so it will be showing the details, uh, means all the elements and the functions written, those are displayed over here. Okay, and last time we have seen how to host it, so we were hosting it on a local server. Okay, on localhost. So we can write here cmd, command prompt will open on the same directory, and type python/am http dot server. Okay, it will be opening on default port, that is set 808000. Okay, go to Google Chrome and open localhost http 8000. Now this page is hosted on the localhost, means local server, and it is we can access that. But if we want to change the port, instead of 800, let's close it. Now the server is inaccessible. Okay, you type the cmd and run the command python m http dot server, give the port name, suppose you want it on 3000, give 3000 and enter. So now 3000 port is served. Instead you can't access 800, you have to make the port as 3000. Okay, now in 3000 port the service is off, your web page is off. Okay, in this lecture, means session, like in last session while designing this page, we have added a function over here, so that by entering username, let's say testing, the clicking on login, it will say hello testing. Okay, what is the function for that? Let's open it in notepad plus plus. Okay, you can see the function show alert is added to the on click event of this login button, and show alert function is called, where we are fetching the value from username and showing it, printing it in console, and also showing in as hello username. Okay, but here instead, suppose I have thousands of functions, so am I going to add over here? No, I will refer it from an external source, a script file. So create a JS file over here, JavaScript file. Let's say um, functions.js, give JS as extension, change. So function.js is created. Open it in Notepad plus plus. Open it in Notepad plus plus. Uh, open with Notepad plus plus. So I am here going to add that function over here. This function completely I am going to add here, and I will refer this function that is in an external file in this web page. Okay, so here I am going to add the to refer, I have to add src equal to the path of that function. The path is uh, the path of the function is in properties src equal to this. You have to add in this way the slash, then the name of the file, .js. Okay, bring this tag over here, script tag. Okay, just now if I refresh the web page, okay, now again if I click login, the function is not working because let me show alert is not defined. Okay, it is not referring to that page. Okay, so let's see what is the issue. Okay, this function.js is not uh, allowed to load on local resource. Okay, so we have to write it in a different way. So we have to provide the path. Actually here it is wherever the web page is present at the same path. Okay, the function.js is present. Okay, now we have to write the path as dot means it is the absolute path. Wherever this web page.html is present, at from that path this functions.js will be found. Let's refresh it and enter QA, click login. See, now it is successfully loading it. Okay, so instead of, if we have a number of functions file, JS file external, we will not directly place over here. We will add a source folder. Inside that source folder we will place all our functions, and we will refer from this absolute path source folder, then the function name. So all the functions present in that file, the function.js, that will be available in this web page and we can use them. Okay, so let's refresh the page again, click yes. Now we have successfully referred it. If you want to rename it, let's say function1, it will not work because we are referring to function.js and the function is okay. Just a second, let's reload it. See, now it is not referring because we have there is no function.js file. Okay, so the function.js file, let rename it to its original name. Now refresh the web page, enter any value, it will successfully refer to that function. Okay, now in this lecture we have seen how to uh, host with a specific port our local server and web page made available there, and then we also saw how to refer functions from external file in our HTML web page. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching this lecture.